Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So isn't this design just absolutely gorgeous? And no, I am not pregnant. That is not the reason behind the making of this mani, but I saw these beautiful foil arts on Shemodern's website and I thought I could do this type of design, as I've not done one before, and you know, this gender reveal is really popular now, and also as well I am going to be using their grip gel, which you can use with applying their foil arts, so I'm really eager to test that out. So these obviously are the same foils, just in different colours. There's lots more colours to choose from than the two that I've chose, and I've used Kiki London's gel polish, and very aptly called Baby Boy and Baby Pink. So this is basically like using gel polish. You can use this as a base and a top coat as well, so obviously it's not going to affect the look of the foils either when you apply the top coat over the top of them. And you are going to need to cure this in a lamp as well. The details of the curing times are on screen, but yeah, but this is meant to like really help you, you know, with applying foil arts, because sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. So obviously these are more like water decal foil arts, so I will be testing it out on transfer foils as well, to see whether, you know, you get a better application than using transfer foil glue, sorry. So you do want to remove this sheet that I am struggling to remove. I was just going to fold it over to keep it on it, but basically it kept folding back on itself, so I just took it off. I'll put that back on afterwards. And basically I'm just going to be cutting out these two images here. And you want to make sure that you cut off as much of the excess as possible. That way you won't see the outline of the decal when you place it on the nail. And then you just want to get some tweezers. It's just going to help you holding onto these, just because obviously they're so little. So you want to dab off the excess water before placing it onto the nail, and then just place it where you want it on the nail. And then I'm using my tweezers actually just to, you know, flatten it all down and smooth it all out, because I didn't want to be touching it with my finger, because obviously it's still going to be sticky in parts, and I'm going to be adding another foil art as well. So I'm just going to do the same steps. So far I'm really impressed. It seems to be sticking really nicely. Like before, when I've tried to do it like apply it like a water decal, it has been a bit fiddly and a bit faffy, whereas with this it just sticks straight down, as you can see. So I went ahead and did the other foil arts off camera. So by the way, that was a defect with it beforehand. It didn't come off as I applied it, just in case you were wondering. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Shemodern foil art over the top to cure it. And then I go ahead and apply a matte top coat as well. And I did a glossy version just so you can see the difference in look. I think it looks better in matte. I think you can clearly see the foils better. But that's obviously just down to your personal preference, but I've shown you both ways so you can get an idea on how they look. And obviously the top coat hasn't affected the foils in any way. So just to add some extra cuteness, I'm going to be adding some stamping to this mani as well. And I thought this was the perfect image, because you'll see, especially on Instagram with these gender reveals, a lot of couples now are getting a big balloon and they're popping it, and basically whatever colour the glitter is inside is revealing the sex of the baby. And it's, you know, it's a fun way to reveal. So I saw this and I thought that was the perfect accompaniment, whatever that word I'm looking for, to this theme. So I'm going to add pink and blue to the balloon, obviously bringing in that gender reveal theme more and more. And then on the other nail, I'm going to be using this really cute Born Pretty layered butterfly stamping plate. So this is a great quick way to add colour to a stamping image. Now, if you just haven't got time for advanced stamping, but you don't just want to, you know, stamp plain stamping image over a base, you want to add a bit of colour, then, you know, you can obviously custom the colours up with this plate. But I just kind of wanted to keep it nice, subtle, simple colours. You can see it's really quickly and easily built up. Obviously, layering images can take a little while. I'm certainly not a pro at it, but you know, I get a little bit better each time. But that is such a beautiful, pretty image. I know, like, you can't massively see the lilac underneath, but I didn't want, like I said, I just wanted the subtle look to it. So now I'm going to dry stamp, which is my much preferred method to applying, you know, advanced stamping images. So there you go, it goes on nice and quickly and simply, and you don't get any outline of a decal or anything like that, which is another thing that I love about dry stamping. And I just applied the top coat off camera, so I decided to go for the matte top coat. I really love this mani. I think it's super cute. If you were expecting or are expecting a baby, would you wear this mani? Please let me know your thoughts. So yeah, so it's an unusual design for me, but I do actually love the outcome of it. If you do decide to recreate it, either for yourself or for somebody you know that's expecting, then please tag me in on your recreations. I would love to see them. But until next time, Jelly Babes, take care. Bye.